Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Taco Bell Meximelts. First we're going to start with the Taco Bell version of pico de gallo. 2 cups of Roma tomatoes. Half a cup of diced onion. A 1/4 cup of minced cilantro, and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. And now we're going to mix the Taco Bell Copycat Pico de Gallo. Now when Not a Chef Gringo makes Pico de Gallo, I also add garlic, salt, and serrano peppers. So this isn't pico de gallo, it's white people de gallo. Now we're going to mix up the ground beef. 1 pound of ground beef, 80/20. 3 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose. 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 2½ teaspoons of tomato bouillon with chicken flavoring. 1½ teaspoon of onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, not the powdered, and 1/8 teaspoon of my mother-in-law's spiciest seasoning, salt. Get in there and mix it together. Now it's all mixed together, it's time to cook. Now to a pan over medium heat, we're going to add our ground beef. Now using a stiff spatula or a wooden spoon, we're going to break the meat up. And we're going to cook for 3 minutes or until the beef is perfectly done. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of water. Stir it all up, mix it together, and we're going to cook for 4 minutes or until the water evaporates. So now in a bowl, we're going to add about 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese. And all these Taco Bell recipes call for Monterey Jack. I can't find Monterey Jack in my local area. That's the joys of living in a small hick town. So we're going to take 1/2 cup of Kobe Jack. And 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella. Mix them all together. Now you got to warm up 12 flour tortillas, taco size. You can be a gringo and put them in the microwave, or be a gringo and heat them up right over the flame. And now we're going to assemble take a 1/4 cup of this beef mixture right in the middle. Couples, 2 or 3 tablespoons of the cheese. And this pico de gallo that has no flavor. My mother-in-law would love it. Take about 2 tablespoons. Add it to the cheese. Now once you get your all your tacos made, it's time to eat. Time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's alright. Reminds me of Taco Bell. But the amount of meat and everything in it, a lot more than Taco Bell. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.